Well, we almost just took out a goat. Like literally this close. It ran in front and then I was gonna go around it and then it ran back the other way and just barely missed the car.
It was just standing there.
My heart's like pumping now. I'm like just watching this goat get closer, slam it, like just trying to slow down as fast as possible without skidding into the goat.
I just stood there and was like,
I wish we had that on video. That would have been amazing. Anyways, we're headed to the Bimmah Sinkhole today, so we'll see you guys at the intro. Wait, give me some food. Oh shit, look at the other one running. He's in the mirror. Oh shit, there's two of them. They're all coming. Hello, come here, bud. Man, dude, they looking. Look at them. We got Chad. We got. Time at the. What is it called? Bro, that's a. Bimmah Sinkhole. Bimmah Sinkhole. This shit right here. It's right in the middle where that tree is. Oh my god. You see the tree? That's like an entrance. No, right here, in the center. This sinkhole. Yeah, Chad's trying to throw a flip off this. Wait, you should look from it the other side. I'm just looking at it. Let's check out what we're working with here. This man's about a gainer. My backpack now. Are you gonna jump? You gonna jump right now? Yeah, just to test it. Chad's about to full send this. We already started filming. You just want me to jump? Let's get a boss. You should have just walked down this path. Right there. I crawled under. Dude, life. Sorry guys, if it's a little bit blurry. We're just gonna dive, I guess. Again. Round two. Oh. Bro, my GoPro is straight like bent. Damn. Slight left. Oh, deep right there. You did just jump off of a 70, the math's not that great, but what is that, 70? Bimmah Sinkhole. It's hot. So Chad's dehydrated a little bit. Gonna keep licking my GoPro so it's not dirty. Sinkhole 1, Chad, Chad, Sciarro. We left a part of us at the sinkhole today. We should go buy some pistachios. They kind of actually do keep you cool. Like this. Aww. Okay, ready? I know. I wanted them to come over the one time that we called them over. God damn, those bugs are loud. See, there's one on the other side. Let's see if we can find him. They're stuck there. Come here. Come here. Oh, look. Damn. Chad just jumped off that 75-foot cliff. Chad, how you feel? Oh!